Let me remind you of something quick. Sorry. You were not born to pay bills and then die. This is not your purpose. This is not your destiny. Somewhere along the line, society convinced us that life is just wake up, go to work, pay bills, repeat. But deep down, you know that's not living. That is surviving. You were born to build, to grow, to experience, not change. To wake up excited, not exhausted. You were born to have options, choices, freedom, not chains. And there's the truth nobody tells you about it. The moment you decide you want more, your life starts to change. The moment you take one small step towards your own goals, you stop living by the system and start living by design. You were born with potential. You were born with dreams. You were born with the ability to rewrite your story that at any age. So no, you were not just born to pay bills and die. You were born to live fully, boldly, and without apology. Your next chapter starts the moment you say, I want more, and I'm going for it. Let's go, people. Put a yes in my comments, and let's start with something fantastic. Put a yes in my comments.